Grandad, it'd take me a walk, wouldn't it? And Granny, he could walk down to Tesco, get what he needs, put it in the bottom of the pram and bring it back.
That's good, yeah. Used to have the cream for Granny, bananas and fruit. Let's do that. Mushroom things. Tortilla prawns, stuff like that.
I don't see anything wrong.
Yeah?
Nope. Never got such a fat chin now.
The bucket lights. My old man to
He wears cork-lined trousers and he lives in a council flat. Singing, my old man's dustman, he wears a dustman's hat. He wears cork-lined trousers and he lives in a council flat. What other sing song? He's been up, he's had his bath, had his breakfast, had his morning stew. And now he's having a sing song. It's a happy boy.
Yeah.
Watch him. He's been a lovely boy. He's looking out the window now, fascinated at all the fish. But you after him and just seen how he is. Fancy taking him a walk in his pram. Oh dear, oh dear. So much for that, eh? He scoops off before he has to do anything. Yeah, sure you could push him up and down in the pram for a wee while. Yeah, take him a wee walk. A lovely wee walk with you. Eh? Okay. You could just get in his pram and go a wee walk. Yeah. You could go with your Auntie Adora and your Uncle James. Well, we've got to leave him a quiet place.
No, we're not going to do that.
Oh, never mind. Grandad will take us. They're a spoiled sport, aren't they, darling?
You're singing another song.
I'll sing him another song all the time. Miss Molly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. She sent for a doctor who was sick, sick, sick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a... He looked at the dolly and he said, shoot his head. He said, Miss Molly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on a paper for a pill, pill, pill. We pack in the morning with the bill, bill, bill. That's a nice one, isn't it? There you go. Hickory-dickory dock, the mousey ran out of the clock. The clock struck 1, and down the mouse comes. Hickory-dickory dock, tick-tock. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when he was up, he was up. And when he was down, he was down. And when he was only halfway up, he was neither up nor down. Rule Britannia, Britannia rule the waves. Britain out in the borders and something. They're very Tory down there. That's a good one. Well, oh, you can't shove your granny off the bus. You can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny, 'cause she's your mammy's mine. You can't shove your granny off the bus. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Oh, you can't shove your granny, 'cause she's your mammy's mine. You can't shove your granny off the bus.
This is good fun.
We're all here now, eh? One of these things, so. What else would you like to sing? You can't throw pieces off a 20-story flat. 100,000 kids. Bairns will testify to that. 20,000 hungry bairns will testify to that. You can't throw pieces off a 20-story flat. Dee. Chances of you catching it are 25 to 1.
I have cucumber sandwiches. I don't have jam pieces.
You don't have jam pieces. Oh,
You've got
yeah.
big
Canny just pieces
big
of
jam
20-story flat. 20,000 hungry rains will testify to that. Oh, you can't throw pieces off a 20-story flat. The chances of you catching them are 25 to 1.
Yay!